Okay, let's talk about finding slope in a direct variation equation. Remember, we already said that slope was the constant of variation. So that means that slope equals A. Now, A is defined as the ratio of y over x, where y and x are some solutions to y equals ax. So, A equals y over x. This means that given any x and y, either in the form of an ordered pair or just given as x equals such number and y equals such number, you can find the constant of variation A. So let's try some practice problems. Now let's try a practice problem. A solution to some equation y equals ax is 312. Use this solution to find A, your constant of variation. So we defined our constant of variation as A equals y over x. So in this case, our y is 12 and our x is 3. So we have A equals 12 over 3, which is the same thing as A equals 4. Now that we have our constant of variation, let's use this to make a direct variation equation. So, we have a direct variation equation, y equals ax, but we already found our a, so our direct variation equation that has a solution 312 is y equals 4x. Let's try one more example of finding a constant of variation. So, we are given a solution -4, -8. That means that our x value is -4 and our y value is -8. So, what should we do? Okay, to find A, we have to plug in our y over our x. So right now, our y is -8 and our x is -4. That means that our A, the constant of variation, is equal to 2. Perfect. But what exactly does that mean? Let's say that we're trying to cover a rectangle with fabric, and we have this rectangle with a set height of 2. So that 2, since it's constant, is going to be A, your constant of variation. Now, we want to know how much fabric you'll need if you increase the width. So, the amount of fabric we need is going to be our y, and our width is going to be our x. So, if you're covering this rectangle with fabric and your x gets wider, your y is going to get 2 times as big as whatever your x is every single time you increase x. So your constant of variation 2 will go here, and then your x. So, y equals 2x is the direct variation from x to y when your constant is 2.